Everybody ready? Clap your hands. Everybody ready for the barnyard dance? Ready? Okay. Stomp your feet. Clap your hands. Everybody ready for the barnyard dance? Here we go. And the cow's playing the fiddle. There's the moon. Okay, here we go. Bow to the horse. Bow to the cow. Twirl with the pig if you know how. Twirl with the pig. Now, up in Vermont, he would sing it with us, you know. He'd repeat it. Here we go. Bounce with the bunny. Strut. Here you go. Do this. Strut with the duck.
Strut and duck.
That's right. Spin with the chickens. Now, cluck, cluck, cluck. Did you say cluck, cluck, cluck? With a baa and a moo and a cock-a-doodle doodly-doo. Everybody promenade 2 by 2. Promenade 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
2 by 2. There we go. Okay. Oh. Prance with the horses.
Prance horses.
Skitter with the mice.
Skitter with.
Swing with your partner once or twice. He won't move his feet. Here we go. Here we go. Stand with the donkey. Stand with the donkey. Slide with the sheep.
Slide with the sheep.
Scramble with the little chicks.
Scramble with the chicks.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
With a neigh and a moo and a cockle-doodly-doodly-doo. Another little promenade 2 by 2. I would swing him in Vermont. I'm trying not to pick up.
What is that?
It's the mice.
What is that?
Trot. Here we go. Gotta lift high your leg. Trot with the turkey. Do this. Trot with the turkey.
Trot, turkey.
Leap with the frog.
Leap to frog.
Take another spin with the barnyard dog. Here we go. Turn with the cow in a patch of clover. Turn. Turn with the cow in a patch of clover. Oh, take a bow. Take a bow.
Take a bow.
Take a bow, because the dance is over. The dance is over. Clap your hands.
Oh, yay!
Say the dance is over.
It's over.
That's
The
right.
end. Yay.